Anthropic just dropped something massive that's going to change how we think about agentic AI. They have open sourced a massive repository called Claude for Legal, featuring over 80 specialized AI skills and agents. We are talking about agents that can digest 200 pages legal documents in seconds, spotting risk clauses, tracking renewal dates, and providing legal judgment that would take human lawyer to hours of process. In this video, I am going to show you exactly what's this repo and more importantly, how to integrate these plugins directly into Claude Code and your own AI workflow. So let's dive in. Anthropic just broken down into vertical plugins. First is commercial legal. Think vendor contract. It automatically flag missing clauses or risk terms. Second one is corporate legal. Perfect for mergers or massive compliance checklist. Third for employment legal, that is plus specialized for HRs and labor law documents. The goal here is simple: eliminate repetitive legal works and let the AI handle the heavy lifting of document organizing and compliance tracking. Now, as a developer, we want to see this in action. There are two main ways to use this. First, the cloud interference. If you are using cloud web interface, you can just go to marketplace, point to this GitHub repo and sync these skills. This allow you to slash command to call specific legal skills directly into your chat. The second method is Claude Code. For those who are using Claude Code in the terminal, it's even faster. You are going to run. So what you have to do is just add slash plugin marketplace and add your GitHub repo. How you get that? Just go to here, search, then copy this link and paste it here. And then Claude will clone this repo and register the marketplace. Make sure you restart your Claude Code session after adding the plugin so the new skills are fully indexed. Once that's done, you can interact with these 80 plus skills directly into your CLI. I hope this will be helpful. And why would you care? Because this is just blueprint for agentic AI. Anthropic is showing us how to build specialized domain-specific agents that can modularly added to an LLM, whether you are building a personal assistant or a SaaS project. For enterprise clients, these open source patterns are gold. So, if you guys like this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to share the video to others. The link to the repository are in the description below. If you want to see more deep dives into agentic and LLM organization, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.